Hey everyone, there are some really cool new features in Mason in Ressio. I've opened up Mason and went ahead and asked it a couple of questions already. And in this video, I'll talk through pulling information from the estimate, budget, and approvals on this job. So the first question or questions I asked was what the latest estimate total was and what cost items were driving that. Mason generates a type report of both the original and approved estimate based on both the builder cost and the customer price, breaks that out here, and then gives me a rundown of the highest categories of costs on the job, as well as I had done a change order right before this video, and it pulls in the information directly from that change order and the impact that each item had on the overall estimate on this project. We can also now pull information from the budget. So I asked a pretty similar question and just asked where we are in the budget compared to original. And it does the same thing where it breaks out both my cost as the builder, but also the customer price and how each of those have evolved and the reasons that they've evolved. And then finally, Mason can also pull from approval items. So I had released a couple of selections out to my client and then asked it what was still pending. And it pulls in both of those items with links along with the allowance and the due dates for each of them. So to play it back, we can now pull from more areas in Ressio. This video shows estimate, budget, and approval items. And you can utilize this, the voice to text feature now to ask these questions as well, which is what I did for each of these. Really simple, but really cool feature. Thanks.